So 5210 is a program that teaches children, or all of us really, that we should have 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. We should get 2 hours or less of TV screen time. We should get 1 hour of physical activity and 0 sugary drinks. So we took that principle and took it into the elementary schools. We mainly focused on the 4th graders. So we go to each of the schools, there's 12 different schools, and we teach them the principles of the 5210. And it's been going very well. At the beginning of the school year, we talked with Ms. Rudisell and asked her at the end of the school year, could we do some kind of celebration for those who did participate. Last Friday, March the 9th, we had 6 of the 12 schools come, 400 children, and we had 15 different stations. And we had some cool stations like inflatables. We had 4 different inflatables from Bounty Kids. We had dance from the studio in Morganton. Keisha came out and did that for us. We had Catawba Science Center who came out. The Burke County Sheriff's Department came and played kickball with the kids. We had the Morgan Parks and Recs there, playing a little t-ball with the kids, and the city cops were there with them as well, and that was a cool event. We had our sports medicine from here at Blue Ridge came out and had some agility style exercises they were doing. We had Pfeiffer Wellness Center there helping us do some other exercises and activities. We had Morrison's come out, and they came and did a food label, teaching the children how to read a food label. We had ASAP, which is Appalachian Sustainable Agriculture Project, and more in layman's terms, it's farm to table, where they teach the children how that we should try to get local produce. And it was really up to the schools. They didn't have to do this program. So 12 of the 15 elementary schools participated. So far, everybody that we've been working with has just enjoyed the program, enjoyed us coming out. Because when we did come out, we were very fortunate to have the team that we do. We had Chartwells, who was also one of the vendors there, team up with us, and they kind of took on the 5, teaching the children about the 5 fruits and vegetables and how fun it can be. Anything from smoothies and exotic fruits and different ways to dip your vegetables in hummus and things of that nature. And then we had Pfeiffer Wellness Center teamed up with us on the 1, and they'd always come out and do the physical activity part at the schools. And then we had, I appreciate Tracy Rebel, who's over our volunteers, and she had recruited some of those guys and girls to come out, and they helped us with the 2 hours or less of TV monitor time by playing games like Pictionary or charades and things of that nature. And then we just would all wrap up together, to kind of go back through those principles one more time. When it's all said and done, this program is helping us each one, and we're trying to get, start from elementary schools up, to learn to tweak our nutrition and be physically active and try to get away from sugary drinks. We could see a change in our society as far as like beating obesity, beating type 2 diabetes, beating high blood pressure issues, beating all the high cholesterol levels that we're having in our country. And everybody raved about the program, said it was one of the best programs that ever went to off campus for a field trip. Yeah, so altogether between 12 schools, it was approximately 822 children that we've been able to work with this year. Sometimes, you go to work, you think, what kind of difference are you making? And then you finally get this opportunity, because I'm a big kid myself. I love children, and the fact that I can take my, what I know about health and wellness and be able to present that to elementary schools, it's really surreal that we're able to have this grand opportunity in our community. And I'm excited about it, and I cannot wait to see it grow and see where it goes.